Yeah. Every angle, the cash coming. Smell it.
Before I start, thank you. Before I start this whole video, just want to say real quick, WS39 is on backup power still from the whole like snow skull event in February. So my signal's not very good, and due to that, it's been better at times, but I don't think it's gonna get better during alert because you know my luck's horrible. So also from that event, we have the KZZ31 came up. So I'm gonna rely on that a lot. But if there's an alert and I can get it on here, I can try to find a way to get it on there. But if not, that's gonna be my big friend here. But hopefully something will get over here for like maybe like the Wasp or something. That'd be pretty nice. But most of the stuff is probably gonna be on this. Just saying. Well, precaution area listing over. It's time to get into the alerting. Okay, the watch was issued. When you go to quick view, it's here. We have 40 seconds. I don't know why I started this so early, but we're gonna get hype and wait. It might go on here for like Burks. I'm gonna turn that on. That thing's ready. I'll turn that on too. That we'll count that. 3 of them. 3 EAS counts here. We're doing that.
Friday, northeast winds 10 to 15 knots, becoming southeast until midnight, then becoming southwest after midnight. Seas 4 to 6 feet, subsiding to 3 to 4 feet after midnight.
5.
A chance
4,
of showers through the night.
3.
Winds
2,
and seas higher and
1.
near thunderstorms. This is NOAA Weather Radio broadcasting on a frequency of 162.
No.
475 from Philadelphia.
What?
Here is the area weather summary.
No shot.
A slow-moving cold front will drop south through our region
That's
tonight
a
into
fucking...
Monday.
Oh my god. That might be the biggest ripoff I've ever seen. That's fucking horrible. Are you kidding me, bro? That's actually insane. What the fuck ever, bro? Not even Schuylkill. Not even Schuylkill. What the fuck?
Here we go.
Oh, is that State College? That is.
The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania is issuing a thunderstorm warning for
Really?
Northumberland County in central Pennsylvania, northern Schuylkill County.
Let's go, baby.
Northeastern Snyder County in central Pennsylvania, east central Union County in central Pennsylvania until 7:45. At 7:09 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Huntington Mills to Last Street in Northumberland, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour.
Oh, it's on backup power and I'm getting it. That's clutch. Let's get those counties.
Wait, you're getting off of your radio?
Yeah. I'm getting it off backup power. This is fucking huge.
Milton, Mount Carmel, Lewisburg, Shenandoah.
Oh, there's that. Thank you, KZZ31. Count that.
Interstate 80. This includes areas between
That's,
the
oh
Lewisburg
my god, thank God I'm getting that off backup power. I'm getting...
Sussex County,
some...
Western New Jersey.
This is big. This is big.
Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows.
Let's turn that volume up.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties: Schuylkill, Pennsylvania.
And... Okay, it didn't activate. Oh, no, it did.
New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Carbon County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania until 8 p.m. At 7:10 p.m. p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Bull Creek, or 9 miles southeast of Wilkes-Barre, moving southeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
We better get a fucking watch after this bullshit. This is hard. This is hard to get through, bro. I need my watch. Delaware Water Gap.
Rockland, Long Pond, Albright Hill, Crispetto, Sunshine Valley, and Arrowhead Lake. This includes the following highways.
No. What? Almost. It's going to static. Just get through it. Just get through the window. Okay, damn. Just give like a recap of it.
This event?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Just like recap.
Like how it started?
Like how it went.
Like from this morning.
The whole thing.
So this morning, I guess, a little bit of a squally line out in New York, which really,
line?
Do you mean by that? Just like every New York has got a fucking bus today as well.
Yeah, good for them. It's not
And
us.
had another line come through 2 p.m. Clouds fucked everything up for them. Central PA going well. The models were ahead of schedule, which thought maybe it would strengthen it more.
You know, it's like the line was so far ahead, and it's like it still weakened like crazy.
I think there was no the shear was horrible.
Yeah, there was like the SPC, they legit said there's like zero cape.
There's like zero cape now. And I think that's just due to the front. What else? Unfortunately, now weekend, we'll see what tomorrow brings.
Probably fucking nothing. You said there's no moisture.
I know, but I don't know. But if it gets hot enough, the storms will pop. There will be storms that will start to pop up, and the moisture will regain itself.
Okay, well I can't.
Which has happened before.
Okay, well I can't wait for that not to happen.
Oh, it's.
As much as I hate to say it, we're not done yet. There's a gust front, and over a certain type of surface on the Earth, they issue a warning for that, for a gust front, which is conveniently right there. And that's where it's going. So they're gonna get some action today. Hopefully, we'll see. But we're not completely done yet. We're still on a marginal for whatever reason. So anything's possible, Kevin Garnett once said.
To 40 nautical miles until 11:45 p.m.
I was right.
At 10:19 p.m., a gust front associated with a line of weakening thunderstorms was located along a line extending from 9 nautical miles southwest of Woodland Beach to near Little Egg Inlet, moving southeast at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Atlantic City, 5 Fathoms Buoy, Buoy 2 FB, Brown Shoal Light, Fenwick Island, Buoy 4 FB, Buoy 3 FB, Slaughter Beach, Cape San Lopez, East Point, Deepwater Reef, Miami Light, Great Egg Reef, Brandywine Shoal Light, Ocean City Reef, Indian River Inlet Bridge, Overfalls Shoal, The Lump, 28 Mile Wreck, and Brigantine.
Okay, then that should be it. Yep, okay.
Clinging to not getting sentimental. Said she wasn't going, but she went still. Like a gentleman to be gentle. Was it a Macadabra or a betting pencil? Oh, the boys are slag. The best you ever had. The best you ever had is just a memory. And those dreams, when as daft as they seem, as daft as they seem.